4301. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through every possible fix step by step. So stick around because the last fix is the one that finally worked for me. Step 1. Check your game version. Start simple. First things first, make sure you and your friends are running the exact same version of Grounded. Even a tiny mismatch can cause the game no longer exists error. Go ahead, update from Xbox Game Pass, Steam, or the Microsoft Store before you try anything else. Step 2. Sign out and back in, account sync reset. Next, refresh your Xbox account. On PC, open the Xbox app, click your profile, sign out, restart your computer, and log back in. On Xbox, do the same thing from settings. A lot of players fixed it with just this step because the account wasn't syncing properly. Step 3. Fix your NAT type, most common fix. Here's where things get interesting. Your NAT type. If it's strict or moderate, Grounded multiplayer will fail almost every time. Go to Xbox Networking on PC or Network Settings on Xbox, check your NAT. If it's not open, turn on UPnP in your router or port forward 3074 TCP/UDP. Trust me, this step solves it for tons of players. Step 4, restart lobby. Quick workaround. Still not working? Here's a quick workaround. The host should close the lobby completely, restart Grounded, then reinvite friends. It's annoying, but sometimes the session just doesn't register until you reset it. Step 5, check servers. Don't skip this. And here's something most people forget. Sometimes it's not even your fault. Check the Xbox Live status page or Obsidian's forums to see if servers are down. If they are, nothing will work until they patch it. Step 6, bonus fix, Steam trick. If you have Grounded on Steam, try launching through there instead of Xbox PC Game Pass. Some players report it only breaks on the Microsoft side, while Steam lobbies work perfectly fine. So those are all the working fixes for Grounded multiplayer errors like JoinPlatformSession, failed 2, and create endpoint, failed to queue 43001. Try them one by one and let me know in the comments which one worked for you. I'm replying to everyone and updating this video with new fixes as they come out.